Namaste students, today I am going to teach you subject general science. In general science we will study here chapter 16 reflection of light. We get different feelings through senses. The sense of vision is the most important among our five senses. Because of this we can see the hills, rivers, trees, people and objects around us. Only with this we can see the beautiful views of nature like clouds, rainbow, flying birds, moon, stars, etc. Try this. Switch off the light in your room at night for some time and then turn it on again. Could you see the objects in the room clearly when the light was switched off? No, we cannot see in the room when light is off. What did you feel when it was turned on again? We can see all the objects when we turn on the light. From the above activity, you can notice that there is some connection between the sense of vision and light. When we switch off the light at night, the objects in the room cannot be seen and they can be seen as before when the light is switched on again. Thus we can see objects when the light coming from these objects enters our eyes. The light entering our eyes may be emitted by the object or may be reflected by that object. What is meant by light reflected by an object? To understand this, let us learn about the reflection of light. Reflection of light. When the light rays falls on an object, their direction changes and they turn back. This is called the reflection of light. Try this. This is a simple experiment. You can do this experiment at home. Materials: torchlight, mirror, stand for hanging the mirror, black paper, comb, white paper, drawing board. See this arrangement of experiment. Activity: first, fit a white paper tightly over a table or a drawing board. 2. Leaving out some portion in the middle of the comb, cover the rest with black paper so that light can only pass through the open center portion. 3rd, hold a comb perpendicular to the white paper and throw torchlight on its central portion. 4th, adjust comb and torch so as to get light rays on the white paper. Now keep a mirror in the path of this ray of light as shown in the figure. What do you observe? In this activity, light rays which falls on the mirror get reflected and travel in a different direction. The rays falling on any surface are called incident rays. The point at which an incident ray falls is called the point of incidence. The rays going away from the surface after reflection are called reflected rays. The direction of the reflected rays is decided by some rules which are called the laws of reflection. Let us learn some definition before learning about these laws. Draw a line PQ showing the position of the mirror. This is a line PQ. This shows the position of mirror. Draw the incident rays AO and the reflected ray OB. 3rd, this is a AO is a ray of incident. Draw a perpendicular to the line showing the position of the mirror, that is PQ, at O. This is NO is a normal which is perpendicular to this mirror at point O. This line ON is called normal to the mirror, as on the ON is a perpendicular to PQ. Angle PON is equal to angle QON is equal to 90 degree. Some terms related to reflection are as follows. See this figure. First, ray AO is the incident ray. This AO is incident ray. 2. Point O is the point of incidence. This point O is point of incidence. Third, ray OB is the reflected ray. This OB is a reflected ray. Fourth, line ON is the normal. This line ON is the normal, which is a perpendicular to the surface. This surface is a surface of mirror. The angle AON between incident ray and the normal is the angle of incidence. It is denoted by I. Here I. Sixth, the angle BON. This angle BON between the reflected ray and the normal is the angle of reflection, and it is denoted by small r. Laws of reflection. First, the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Both angles are of equal measure, means angle AON equal to angle BON. Second, the incident ray and the reflected ray and the normal lies in the same plane. These three things lies in the same plane. Third, the incident ray and the reflected ray are on the opposite sides of the normal. This is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Both lies on the opposite side of this normal. Thanks for watching this video.